Refrigerator here, full-size fridge, donated by Walter. We got 4 pounds of Tannerite going in there. We got a picture of Mitt Romney, which is going to be our X marks the spot. And we'll see how this thing does. We're going to duct tape it up, and we'll try to get a good one off this. That was fucking beautiful. I hope that was as beautiful as it was on camera, as it was from a distance. Something went flying 400 fucking feet in the air. And that whole fridge is just vaporized over there into like a jillion little pieces of whatever. Looks like snow over there. Oh, I can smell it. That thing was right here. Here's the base of the fridge. And it's just vaporized. Nice. Alright guys, I'll talk to you next time. Keep out of trouble, stay safe, thanks for watching, and we'll blow some more shit up later.